Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the tension belt on your Kia Soul 2011. Some tools you need is a car jack. I've got two car jacks, an 11mm wrench, a 12mm wrench, a 1/2 inch impact driver. That's what it looks like. And a 21 hex nut driver for your specific car to take off the tires. And from my tool bag, I need a screwdriver and a worker's rag. First things first, you want to make sure that your car is stable. I have a cinder block back there to stop the car from rolling off the jack stand in case anything happens. And especially if you're working on a steep incline, this incline is not too steep, but I wouldn't recommend it. Next, we're gonna put up the car and take the tire off. After that, you just want to go ahead and take off your passenger side wheel. Take the wheel off and you can use it to kind of support your car in case it falls or anything. Alright, the next thing that you need to do is move the alternator because that is giving the belts of your car some tension. So I did this part already, but you want to take off the front bumper of your car. And I can show you guys how to do that later. And you have to do that to reach the adjuster on your alternator so that you can move it around and loosen the tension on the belts and pulleys. You can see that right here. The little bolt is caught right there. Is this one on the front and this one on the side. You want to loosen those both up completely, and then you can move the alternator on the bottom of your car. Alright Joe, I'm about to show you how the alternator is just located behind your front passenger side wheel. And it's just this thing right here. You can see after you loosen those two bolts in the front, all you have to do is push this back and then it'll loosen up this serpentine belt right there. When you loosen this bolt, you want to make sure that you turn it clockwise, else it'll just get tighter. So I loosened this bolt right here and it came all the way out, and after you do that you want to loosen your tension pulley right there. I just gave it a couple of turns and now I can slide it up and down, and that'll release the belt, your tensioner belt, and you can go ahead and slip it off. After you replace your tension belt, go ahead and retighten your tension bolt and the tension pulley. Put the tension pulley to where you're comfortable with first and then tighten it so that it'll stay in place. So when you tighten your tension bolt, it'll be easier. Alright, next we'll tighten the tension bolt. You want to turn this counterclockwise. Finally guys, we're on the last part of replacing our tension belt. That's going to be the alternator adjuster. You can see it as this bolt right here and this one on the side. I'm going to be using a wrench for the one on the side. It's 12 millimeters, and the racket wrench for the one on the bottom. The movements for the one on the side is down to up direction, and the one on the bottom is going to be left to right. The squeeze is going to be tight, but that's how they made it. Okay, let's get to it. It's probably going to take a lot of re-ratcheting, so be prepared. Get frustrated and things like that. You want to do the bolt on the side first. Your bolt bolts on the side first. That way, if your bolt on the bottom, the rod bolt, is too loose, tightening the bolts on the side will hold it steady for you to be able to go in and tighten the rod bolt, which is what I'm about to do right now. Yeah, that's a tight squeeze. But if you just keep doing it and doing it, it'll eventually tighten up. And that is as tight as it'll possibly go. You want to get it as tight as possible so that it doesn't fall loose. As tight as it was when you loosened it. It seems pretty tight now, but I just want to make sure. Okay, and that's it. I'm just going to put on my front bumper, and I'll see you at the end of this video. You probably need a screwdriver for this part and the screws that came with the front bumper.
Doctor, my eyes have seen the years and the slow parade of fears without crying. Now I want to understand. I have done all that I could to see the evil and the good without hiding. You must help me if you can. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what is wrong. Was I unwise to leave them open for so long? 'Cause I have wandered through this world, and as each moment has unfurled, I've been waiting to awaken from these dreams. People go just where they will. I never noticed them until I got this feeling that it's later than it seems. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what you see. I hear their cries. Just say if it's too late for me. not to cry.
I took off my splash guard previously to this video, so now I'm just about to put it back on. And you need to take your splash guard off for when you're doing the belt replacement.
Doctor, my eyes have seen the years and the slow parade of fears without crying. Now I want to understand. I have done all that I could to see the evil and the good without hiding. You must help me if you can. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what is wrong. Was I unwise to leave them open for so long? 'Cause I have wandered through this world, and as each moment has unfurled, I've been waiting to awaken from these dreams. People go just where they will. I never noticed them until I got this feeling that it's later than it seems. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what you see. I hear their cries. Just say if it's too late for me. Doctor, my eyes, they cannot see the sky. Is this the price for having learned how not to cry?